support to local communities is also essential to bring a balanced response to the pressure created by migration on local population. On that basis, I'm also very happy to confirm that Norway's support will continue on this path, with even more emphasis on the situation here in Bosnia and Herzegovina.
Throughout these 2 years, we've been able to assist more than 3,000 migrants across the Western Balkans, but specifically in Republika Srpska and Bosnia-Herzegovina, in getting much needed attention, protection, assistance, shelter, and other forms of support.
Važno je istaći da migranti koji prolaze kroz Bosnu i Hercegovinu na svom putu možda i po prvi put od strane mobilnih timova dobiju informaciju o opciji povratka u svoju zemlju porijekla.